Yeah, let's go.
We are here.
Right,
These are the aircraft.
These are the aircrafts actually. We have the
You see them?
5N.
registration number.
Yes, yes,
Okay,
yes.
5N
No, hold on.
BBN.
Yes.
This one here, 5MN
5NBB.
MBB, and the other one.
5NBMG.
Can you see?
It's intact.
Yeah.
We've been told that the engine and the seats and everything is intact.
Yeah.
So these are the aircraft available. And
They are all
the ID
747 Boeing.
And anytime we want, if you even want us, we start arranging for it.
Exactly. The butchers, everybody is ready on ground.
Everybody is on ground, so that's it.
Inshallah.
Thank you. Good day.